so you don't have a wireless keyboard or mouse and want to use your PC from a distance, or want to sit back and play some games without spending money on a wireless controller, well, you can use your smartphone to control your PC for free. First, go to this website and download PC Remote on your laptop or PC. Now install the same application on your smartphone as well. It's available for both Android and iOS. Now connect your PC and phone with the same Wi-Fi, or you can use your mobile's hotspot as well. It's required since both the devices should be on the same network for this to work. Then connect your phone to your PC through this app, and now you can start using your phone to control your PC. You can use it as a trackpad to control the cursor and can also type using the phone's keyboard. A scroll wheel is also provided, and there are separate controls for stuff like media and PPT. Though this is not exactly meant for any precise work, but can be used for basic stuff or also in case of your physical keyboard or mouse failure. There's also this remote desktop feature with which you can mirror the PC screen to your phone and then directly control it with your phone. Do select the multi-touch option for easier navigation. You can also directly access your PC files from your phone using the provided File Explorer. This can be used to easily download files from your PC to your phone. Now let's check out the Gamepad, which can be used to play some PC games wirelessly using a phone. There are various layout presets available along with the standard Xbox 360 controller layout. You can also use the phone's gyro sensor to control the steering in games. But do note that playing games with this controller might require getting used to the layout, since in case of a phone's touchscreen, there is no actual feedback like the physical buttons of a controller. Also, there are many annoying ads in this app which can somewhat degrade the experience. You can try out other alternatives like this app called Touch, whose PC server is available on GitHub to download, and it doesn't have any ads along with a clean and simple UI. But it doesn't have the extra features like remote desktop and gyro support for games. Also, it's not available for iOS as of now. So you can check out both these apps and see which one works better for you. Also do share in the comments if you find any better alternatives. Thanks for watching.